Wait, hang on a second. I just forgot to show you some other things as well. I've ordered them. As you know, the iPhone comes with no charger, no adapter, so that's why I've ordered a MagSafe charger and a power brick and a USB to lightning cable, which I ordered accidentally, and I'm gonna return it because I don't need it anymore. And here's the iPhone 13 Pro MagSafe clear case. And sorry, I just forgot to tell you the price of the iPhone, and it's worth 1,049 pounds with 256 gigs of memory. And this MagSafe charger is for around 27 pounds, and this power brick is 19 pounds. And this, I think I bought this cable for like 15 or 16 pounds, and this case is 49 pounds worth. I'm just surprised with the price of this case. I didn't thought like it will be that much expensive. I thought it may comes around like 20 to 25 pounds, but it worth 49 pounds. But yeah, when I opened it, I get to see why it worth 29 pounds. So let's just put them aside, and here we go with our case. There's nothing else inside the box, just some manual books, paperwork, and here's our case. All right. Okay, so it comes with the MagSafe charger, and it's looked nice, and it's quite hard, so it's gonna provide like enough protection for the phone. So it's just all right. Don't know if I need to remove these stickers or not. Okay, now just get to the power brick, and here's the same kind of seal with the power brick as well. All right, let's put them aside. Oh wow, I just love to do this. All right, here we go. Again, our power brick and some manual guides from Apple, and that's it. Oh wow. Oh wow. Now the special thing about Apple is that they are very good at their boxing and their presentation, because when you open their product, you just face kind of something really good and amazing. And that's it. Here's our power brick, USB-C to lightning. That's it. And now the MagSafe charger, and here's the same kind of seal again. Oh wow, here we go. I've never unboxed like 4 to 5 products in a single day. It's my first time I'm doing this, and here's a manual again, and oh wow, here we go with our MagSafe charger. Wow, it's like well protected and well clipped in. How to put this out? I think like this. Oh yes, I'll turn it. Oh, okay, this looks nice. So it's gonna be like this. Oh yeah. Okay, I think there's something like magnet inside it. Oh, just getting in touch with it. It's not that long, but it will do the work. And yeah, it looks good. Designed by Apple in California. You gotta see the same thingy in every product of Apple. Designed by Apple in California, and maybe assembled in China. Okay, that was all. Alright guys, then see ya in another video. Stay safe till then. Bye.